So my dear track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today there is something very shocking that you guys need to know about. This is about Yohan Blake. Now let me tell you that Yohan Blake has been dominating since the era of Usain Bolt, but it is so unfortunate and it is so sad that since Usain Bolt retired, Yohan Blake has not been dominating as before. And do not forget that Yohan Blake is the second fastest man in on earth entirely. So this makes him the second greatest male sprinter overall. But it is so sad that Yohan Blake has not yet retired. And track fans, don't you think it's finally time for Yohan Blake to retire, considering the fact that he is no longer dominating, and it is so disrespectful that younger athletes are beating him back to back? Now, track fans, do not worry, because Yohan Blake himself has said something that you guys need to know about. He has finally come publicly and he said something about his retirement, and I'll be sharing it in this video. Now track fans, before we continue with this main title of this video, which is Yohan Blake retirement, please do me a favor to, if this happens to be your first time here on the channel, to make sure you subscribe and also make sure to like the video. Now my track fans, this is what was written that Yohan Blake said. I will be happy if we read this together. Now Yohan Blake said he plans to focus on the 100 and 4x1 relay at the upcoming 2023 World Championship in Budapest and the Paris Olympic. Doing the 200 and 100 and relays simply takes a lot out of you. So there are the event I want to focus on for 2024. Blake said Paris 2024 should be my last dance, he added. Now from this write-up, track fans, you can clearly understand that Yohan Blake is preparing to participate in Paris Olympic 2024, despite the fact that he has not been dominating for the last 5 to 10 years. Yes, he has been poorly performing. If you are truly a track fan, that you will know that definitely Yohan Blake is not trying these days, but nevertheless he is still one of the best. Now track fans, apart from participating in Paris Olympic 2024, Yohan Blake also added that Paris Olympic is going to be his last dance. Now if you are somebody who is very understanding, then you definitely know that what he means by Paris is going to be my last dance means that he is going to retire after his Paris performance. Now track fans, the issue is not Yohan Blake participating in Paris, but the big question is, can Yohan Blake be able to pass the Jamaican trials? We all know that the Jamaican trials is very tough.